Okay, get on the bike.
Can you start it?
There's a kickstart on the side.
I don't know how.
You don't. I thought you heard one before.
No.
Hold on, I gotta get off mine.
So, do I give it gas or no? Will it take off if I give it gas?
Just kickstart it first. Yeah, come on, kick it. Put your weight into it. Kick it like you mean it. Harder. There you go. Okay, pull on the clutch. Pull on the clutch.
I am.
Pull on the clutch.
I am.
Push down on the thingy or the shifter. Push down on the shift lever. Yeah, push down. You gotta hold in the clutch. Oh, that's the brake, you doofus. I wasn't paying attention. This is the clutch. That's the clutch.
Don't I have to push it down more to get it neutral?
No.
Do I hold in this when I start it up?
You can to keep it in gear.
Okay.
Why'd you grab it? Okay, ease off the clutch and give it gas. Keep it going. You're gonna stop pulling the clutch. You're stupid. What are you trying to do? You don't know how to ride. What are you doing? Put your feet on the pegs. She's gonna hit the tree. Put your feet on the pegs.
What?
Put your feet on the pegs.
What?
Put your feet on the pegs.
Hey?
Yeah, pegs. What are you doing? Don't hit mine. You're stupid. Pulling the clutch. Are you gonna stop pulling the clutch? Don't hit me.
This one?
Yeah, pull.
This one's a brake, right?
Yeah. And that's a brake, but don't pull this one in, otherwise
What's
you'll crash.
this do?
That shifts. You push it up with this.
Should I try?
Yeah, but you first. Pull it. First.
So, holding this and shift up?
Okay, actually, no. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? You killed it. What do you have to say for yourself?
I think I did pretty good for my first time.
Hayden.